Here it is, my replacement Mini 11 Black from GoPro. It took a month to get a replacement, but here she is. It's all charged up, and it's ready for another game of Will It Freeze? Get the screen where we can see it. Okay, it's recording. As you know, the first GoPro Mini 11 I received was freezing up. Every 3 or 4 shots it would just freeze up in the middle of the shot. 3 or 4 minutes on the counter it would just freeze. The counter would continue just to move on the screen but not update. The light would continue to flash but not record. It would lose footage each and every single time. So I requested a replacement, which they have sent me. And